Hello and welcome viewers, I am Pia and you're watching NewsX. Now the price of the yellow metal in India's retail market rose in the last week due to positive global cues easing expectations of aggressive rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve. Since gold prices do not change on weekends, local jewelers on Sunday 5th July will follow prices registered at Friday's closing rates. That is, on 3rd July, the price of gold settled at rupees 1,47,840 per 10 grams, while that of 9995 silver stood at rupees 2,37,680 per kilogram on Friday evening's closing price. With us on the broadcast is Sanjay Gupta, senior economist. Thank you so much, sir, for taking our time and speaking to us. What do you make of the gold prices and the silver prices? Of course, we're learning that they have risen in the market over the course of the last week, especially due to positive global cues. The price of gold has settled around 1.47 lakh and silver is somewhere around 2.37 lakh.
Over a larger period of time, you see the rates of both gold and silver are hovering around very marginally there. But as expected, the US Federal is not going to increase the federal rates in near future. It is expected that the gold prices may slightly shoot up from the present conditions, and further in India the wedding seasons are on the way. So we expect the demand to increase a little bit. Even the government measures of the gold austerity, I don't think are going to give substantial results in reducing the gold prices, and gold prices will be hovering or slightly firming over a period of time.
Absolutely, so stay on with us. We're tracking some further updates as far as the price of these precious metals are concerned. With silver prices reflecting a significant increase of 6.22 in the domestic bullion market, 24-carat gold rates also climbed by 2.25% since the 28th of June. The MCX gold rate on 5th July was recorded to be 0.01% lower at rupees 1,47,365 per 10 grams. The MCX silver futures, on the other hand, stood at 0.04% higher at rupees 2,37,499 per kilogram. Mr. Sanjay Gupta is still with us on the broadcast. Of course, a lot of countries are now looking at what exactly will the US Federal Reserve do. Will they and what sort of measures will the Fed take with regards to this? How do you think India should really respond in such a scenario?
Actually, India has a very little say in the global markets. India being a large importer of the gold and silver. You see, whenever the gold fear factor rises in the world of wars, etc., and inflation concerns are there, the gold prices always increase. It is a safe haven for investment for the investors. And regarding the silver prices, you see, the silver prices has been industrial factors are more concerned about that. You see, the solar energy, electronics, electronic vehicles. Silver has been in quite demand worldwide over there. Whenever the industrial demand pick up, silver prices will go up. And we see in recent times, the manufacturing has been increasing both in India and abroad also, even in US also. The silver prices are not going to decline more further in the near future, and I expect they are going to firm up again.
All right, so with that, I would like to thank you for taking out time sharing your insight with us with regards to the price hike of